Do you struggle with influencer marketing? I welcome you to Easy Influencer. Influencer marketing made easy. Where you can learn to find influencers that make you earn thousands a week for your business. The right and easy way. This proven and accurate strategy will show you how to achieve amazing results from influencer marketing, how to find the right influencers, how to launch an influencer marketing campaign, how to reach out to influencers and get a response. There is so much more in store. This is just the teaser. No longer the days of actively reaching out and getting little to no response. No more guessing what influencers are relevant to your brand, and no more being disappointed by the results. This is only the beginning. This strategy works for both small and big brands. Even if you haven't got a website, this strategy will hype up your brand, garner you so much reach, get followers fast, and allow you to make millions with influencer marketing in every form of social media. If you are looking for a way to scale your business and to grow your social media following fast, click the link near this video now to enroll in Easy Influencer, Social Media Marketing and Growth. Hope to see you there.